may call it in this evening.
Hey, what's up, guys? So this is Gramophone. It's currently in beta. It's not available through Google Play just yet, but you can test it out. It is open to the public in beta testing. So if you want to check this out before I get into the details, you can go on Google Plus, join the Gramophone beta community. And once you join this and they grant you membership, you can go in here and get the beta test link. Once you go in here and opt into the beta, just give it about 10 minutes, maybe 15, to process your information. And then you'll be able to download it from the Play Store. If you opt in and try and go into the Play Store right away, it's going to give you an error. So just give it a few minutes to process your information and you will be able to download the player no problem. So once you have it and you install it, you're going to notice it looks a lot like Play Music. At least at first, it has a lot of similarities. But yeah, it has some really nice material design. You can go through here and use gestures. You can also tap on the tabs at the top. You also have a little slider on the side here with the same stuff and some artwork at the top of your current album or playlist. Some great stuff here is you do have playlist features. You can go in here and rename your playlist, delete playlists. You can go in and see what songs are included in the playlists. And if you want to create a playlist, you can also go in here and just add it to the playlist. You can create new playlists when you go in here, just add it to one that's already created. You also have a playing queue. So if you add this to a playing queue and you want to see that playing queue, you just go up here and notice it's actually going to be over here at the top. So playing queue, you just toggle that on and you'll see what tracks you have currently in your queue. You can also remove these from your queue if you want to and start over. And if you just want to re-add those, you can go in there and do that. Now, a really cool thing here as well, if you go into the artist view instead of the album view, is it will show you how many songs you currently have on your device and as well as many albums you have. So if you have an artist with a lot of different albums and songs, it will first bring up that artist. It will give you all of the songs within that framework, that first folder you go into. But you'll also notice at the top you have your artist albums. So you can scroll through here with your artworks and you can choose whether or not you want to just see the specific tracks according to that album from that artist. And you're also going to notice that the colors are changing on the album name or the artist album name, as well as your nav bar there. So if you're not a fan of this, if you like it, that's great. If you're not a fan of that, you do have the option to disable that particular feature up here in your overflow menu. So just go up in here, let me pause that sound. Go up here in your overflow, go into settings, and you're going to have some nice features up here as well. You're going to be able to turn off that colorized navigation bar with both of those if you don't want that feature. You also have playback controller cards you can disable or enable, as well as colored album footers. So you can go in here and adjust a lot of stuff. You're also going to be able to choose a light or dark theme. The light theme will be nice for probably IPS panels. It's going to suck up a little bit more juice if you're using AMOLED, so be aware of that. But you have the option to choose light or dark based on your preference, as well as you can use the start page. You can set a default start page. So you can use the album art, songs, artists, playlist. You can choose what you want to be defaulted as soon as you open the application each time. But yeah, that's pretty much most of the features there. You are going to have the basic play controls here with the seeking is going to be included, scrollable seeking. You have your play, you have your seek tracks, back, forth, you have a shuffle, and you have your repeat, which you can do multiple times. So you can toggle that in different manners as well. But everything just flows really nicely. But yeah, everything flows really nicely. Once you get in here, you can just start going through here. And it just flows really nicely. So you guys can check this out. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you need any help or anything like that, I can maybe help you. But most of everything you're going to need is in the Google Plus or the Google Community Gramophone Beta community. And go check that out. I'll put all the description links in the description below. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this app, and hopefully it will come out pretty soon. The only negative that I do have, if you're wondering, is it does use a lot of system resources. Hopefully they'll polish that off before it becomes available to the public. So if you are running an older device, you might have some issues, but newer devices, not going to be a big problem. It uses roughly 140 to 200 megabytes of resources of RAM. So just be aware of that, but otherwise, pretty solid little music player here with material design. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next one.